This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shirley Welch. Fabulous 4/3 home in the established community of North Lake Park with renovations and upgrades creating an easy and carefree lifestyle. This light, bright and cheerful home has new wood-look ceramic tile continuous throughout the entire home. Freshly painted interior with new fixtures in all the bathrooms, hall lights, dining room chandelier, remote-controlled LED ceiling fans and outdoor automatic wall lanterns outside the garage. Renovated kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantry and expansive island. New French doors to the expanded patio with weatherproof composite decking and a low-maintenance backyard. Automatic smart locks and openers on the front and inside garage door along with a new garage door opener system. Beautiful renovation of the master bath with zero-entry shower, anchored grab bars, built-in shelving, new fixtures, paint and tile. HOA includes family membership to the neighborhood YMCA with an Olympic-sized pool, tennis and basketball courts along with a dog park, playground, fishing dock on Lake Nona, soccer fields and so much more. Ideal location with easy access to Highway 528, Highway 417 and 15 minutes to the airport. Don't pass on this home, you won't be disappointed. For more information, review the details below.